Yo, yo, yo. Yo, 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 yo. Let's go into that product section. We gotta get going on our feature setups. We have what happens. Calendars is up next. Calendars, come on down. You're the next contestant on the AI Empires feature videos. Alright. Calendars. Sweet. Cool, let's do a video tutorial. Need to change that though, huh? Need to change it. So, I need to change that intro scene real quick and then we will get it rocking and rolling. The AI Empires is your all-in-one business software solution. You can use it as an individual, you can use it as a business, you can sell it to businesses. It is a white label solution, which means you can put your branding on it and design it to be a solution for your specific situation, which then you can turn into a business. If you have any questions, make sure and let me know. I'm getting a new cover photo for my live stream because we're doing educational tutorials. The AI Empires. Let's go. We'll use this one. AI Empires Live. Let's go. Switch that around. Move you down. Educational community how to videos. All right, how do we get you over there? Come here. All right, we got that in there. Let's download page 9. Done and downloaded. Come on with it. So what we're going to be doing tonight, guys, is going over the individual features of the AI Empires. We're going to be taking a look at all of the features that you get when you join the AI Empires, as well as doing some tutorials so you know how to use all of the AI Empires. It's one thing to have all the tools, it's another thing, hey, we got to teach people how to use this. So that's what we are doing right now. I'm live streaming currently to YouTube and TikTok. So if you want to see the full screen, make sure you go to YouTube. I have both chats open and we will be getting into these tutorials in just a second. The all-in-one solution. If you need to do more with less and you are a small business, you're an individual creator, this is how you do it. You gotta use some technology. Educational community how-to videos. Did I just change the wrong one? Okay, right one. There we go. Oh, I gotta say, like, link in bio. So get started today. Little CTA for your bush. Move you down a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now we can get into it. done download. Get it. All right. Now we need to upload that said picture. Call to action, put it on there. Get started today. Let's go. Link in bio. All right. Now we got to, if you have questions, I do have TikTok and YouTube live streams open. Make sure and drop a question in the chat. If you have a question while I'm going through this, I will make sure and get them answered after doing each tutorial video. Yeah, empires, calendars. Okay, so we're going to go over just the calendars section first, and that's where we are going to get started. So let's hit record and rock and roll, people. I gotta do my fancy scene transitions. So we're gonna start there. Let's go here. And I need to change that image right here. Make sure it's the same one. Okay, we gotta change our images real quick. That's how quick you can change up your live stream look. You just set up a couple different scenes. Okay, cool. So let's get a quick intro video right here. Calendars are one of the most important tools a business can utilize. Staying organized with appointments and customer bookings is important to do. How are we going to do that in the AI empires? Let's go take a look at the all-in-one SaaS solution and how you can use calendars to keep everything organized. On the left side over here, we are going to have the calendars tab. We'll click on that. Now, to get everything kind of dialed in for your calendar settings, you would come up and create a new calendar here. This is going to be marketing audits result call, appointment title. Let's go marketing review. Okay, just kind of give you some layout, and we are good to go. Select a contact. Let's see, so that is just setting an appointment. Maybe I need to restart this recording. Okay, because that's not how we create a calendar, but that's how we create an appointment. Sweet. So we'll redo that. That's what we get, live action tutorials. You just got to be on your toes at all times, people. Let's talk about calendars and why they're important to a business, how you can use them in the AI empires. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is come to the left-hand side on this tab, and we're going to click on calendars. Now we can come up here for calendar settings. And what we're going to do is just kind of take a look at all the calendars that I have inside here and how we can really set them up. I'm going to take the AI Empires onboarding call, and we're going to go take a look at that one and edit all of those settings, just so you guys can see really how many calendars you can set up and how many different uses you have for your business. Or, you know, if you have 6 different types of bookings, you need to book those 6 different types of appointments and keep them all in the same place. That's what the AI Empires does, all right? So the first thing we're going to do is you want to upload a logo. That's just a square shape, so use Canva, just 1080 by 1080. Just give it a name, the AI Empires onboarding call. So description here, I'll say, welcome. Ooh. So I'm going to have to say something a little different. Welcome to the AI Empires. Get started today by using the educational community and choose a date time that works for you for our 30-minute onboarding call. Okay, so give it a nice little title. I don't have any groups right now, and that's going to be our URL that we can share with people. Onboarding call with contact name. The platform is going to put it in there for you. And location, you can put in your Zoom meeting here or your link here. I have a custom location, and this is going to a custom value that has the Zoom link for that meeting. So it's automatically going to be included in any meeting I create. Always make sure to click save in the top right there. And what we're going to do is go down to availability. Here's where you can set your hours during the week. So right now I'm just running wide open, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Thursday. Let's change these hours. Let's bring it up. 8 p.m. Let's go. All right. We are onboarding all day and all night. That's what you got to do when you launch a business. Look busy. Give me that 10% booking. Kind of a trick, but everybody uses it. Meeting interval is just 30 minutes. Duration, same thing. Minimum scheduling notice, people can book whenever. Date range, so 10 days into the future. Max bookings per day. I'm going to set that at, let's go 6 per day. Well, we'll go 5. Max bookings per slot, 1. And pre-meeting, post-meeting, you want to give yourself a little bit of time just to take notes or do anything you need to. Okay, so I'm going to click save again. Just out of habit, each section, anytime you make a change on something, click save. Easy money. So forms, let's ask them some questions. What date, what time, and step 2 is our form. We're just going to use that default form. Name, email, phone. Let's just get you booked. Not hassle people too much with questions leading up to a meeting. Confirmation page is going to the default. Thanks, we'll be in touch shortly. And you can put in your Facebook Pixel ID if you're linked up to any Facebook ads, which we can definitely do. And you can accept payments for your meetings as well. So all options there, but that's how I'm just going to kind of leave mine. I just want people to schedule a 30-minute onboarding. They've already paid for the product. This is to get them set up and ready to roll. So again, I'm going to click save, and we're going to let that ride there. Notifications. How do I want to be notified or notify my team? Appointment booked. We're going to do an email and an app. Again, if you want to change these, like if you want to add maybe enable email notifications. Okay, good. Boom, we're on. In app, account admin. It's going to send it to whoever the admin of your platform that you can white label. So that's on there as well. So let's keep those settings, and you can add really anybody you want to this, anybody to the calendars. Let's go check out connections. That is what I'm going to link it to as far as my Google Calendar. Odds are people, have external calendars already, and you don't want to make this harder or make it just a complete switch. But if it links up with your external calendar that you already have up and running, it's a seamless addition, which makes it very easy to do. Make sure you connect your external calendar there. And then customizations, this is to give it, a little bit of your look. I just have my, again, cover image, primary color and background color, just to make the form under my brand colors and have it look good. Schedule a meeting, calendar, description, details, we're good. And then if they need a custom code, I can put it in there. Mine's not set up that way. It's just set up to book the meeting, be ready to roll. But what's cool about the calendars, and probably my favorite feature of it, is if you check out all the different calendars, I can have an audit results call, social media management call, SEO call, digital marketing, content marketing, a demo call, and just a regular appointment. But they're all going to filter into the same calendar, but you want it to be that specific name, right? Like, we're going to be onboarding, or we're going to do a demo. You don't want to have an onboarding call and send it to somebody for a demo. It just doesn't look right. So internal, external, you can link all of your calendars, and I'll have them set up in one place, which is another fantastic feature of the AI Empires, is you're now consolidating a lot of your software down to one platform. You can live here and execute your business, which is going to save you so much time. You don't need to go to different platforms. You don't need to go to different places. You can hook up with QuickBooks. You can do all of your marketing, post all your social medias. You can manage all of your conversations, calendars, anything you need, and create automations that we'll get into in one of the next sections. But that is essentially the overview of the calendars. Create appointments, do whatever you need to do. But the main thing is consolidate into one place. That way you have one calendar to look at and not four. That is the calendars of the AI empires. Make sure to stick around for the next section and we will go into more features. All right. Now that we got that one done, what I'm going to do with that video is I'm going to take it and we're going to go to streamlabs.com/dashboard. Get all nice and logged in here. This is the easiest way to edit your videos since I don't have the time or the patience to edit videos. What I do is I take these live stream tutorial recordings and I upload them to Podcast Editor. That way, Podcast Editor can take out the blank spaces, the pauses, and it gives you a pretty, fairly polished video that you don't have to do any editing on. And honestly, my videos aren't at the point where it's like, you need to have a bunch of transition and jumps, cuts, moves, sounds. It's like, no, you just need to clean up your videos when you're doing tutorials. So that feature alone is worth its weight in gold. It's like, yeah, man, I want to be able to edit all my videos and do that quickly. What we got going on here, Streamlabs? Getting frozen on me? But that is the best way I've found to edit your videos quickly, Just drop them into Streamlabs and let it ride. It makes it so much easier. So here's how we do that. We are logging in full screen. You guys can see live on YouTube if you want to go there and check it out. I'm on TikTok and YouTube Live. Make sure you subscribe, like, follow, share, hit that heart button. We're doing tutorials tonight, full screen on YouTube. Link should be in bio. Let's get into these recordings. So now that I've done my calendar tutorial video for the AI Empires, the all-in-one business solution, I want to edit that video quickly. So I've recorded in Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename it real quick. So I'll rename it to how to use the calendars. Okay, and then all I'm going to do over here in Streamlabs Desktop Ultra, click on New Project, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab how to use calendars, and I'm just going to drop it in there. I am going to select the subtitles, the black letters with the white background. Usually stands out pretty good on any video. I'm going to select auto editing, go boom, boom, and we're going to continue editing in editor. That's going to take a while, so what I like to do is I just pull this window down and I minimize it. That way I'm not closing out unnecessary windows, because when you are live streaming you don't want to have a bunch of windows open. But we have now a tutorial being edited while I'm doing tutorials, right? So it makes it a little bit easier. And I know I have some beginner tutorials in here, but okay, so we're gonna have to go contacts next. No big deal. When you're doing it live, you can knock out tutorials very, very quickly. Customer service is better live, all of it. All of your calendars all in one place. So I'll say, in this video, you'll learn about the calendars and how to keep all of your meetings in one place. Whether it's a demo call, what we got going on there? Whether it's a demo call, onboarding, educational webinar, team call, round robin, or live stream. You can organize them all in one place. Okay. Yeah. Start today. So the minute you purchase the AI Empires, you get a login information. You get access to your dashboard where you can start white labeling the product. The 30-minute demo call with me is meant to set up the optional features, which is going to be your conversational AI. Do you need another phone number? Do you want the text messaging? How are we going to be A2P compliant? We'll go over those things. And, do you want me to run your Google ads? Do you want me to run Facebook ads? These are all optional services that we need to cover during the 30-minute onboarding call. You can start using the platform and customizing it immediately from signing up. You'll get a welcome email, but what you want to do is book that 30-minute onboarding call to decide, all right, what features do I really want this to do? How do I want my AI to approach it? Do you guys want me to set it up for you? I do that for businesses, or do you want to set it up yourself? Like today, I guess last night, for example, at 9:40 p.m., Ironforge Commercial Repair, one of my clients, received a notification on the web chat, the live AI chat. Customers asking about snowplows. Nobody's working at 9:40 p.m. at Ironforge when it's snowing. I mean, they're either out plowing or the office is closed until the next morning. The AI was able to respond to that customer, get their details, what they're asking about, their truck year, truck model, what they're really looking for in a plow. That way in the morning when we woke up, I saw that message that, hey, Will, this guy's looking for an estimate for 2 snowplows. Go check this out. And for a business, I mean, if you're selling snowplows, you got to think that's going to be somewhere in the neighborhood of $20,000 to $30,000 of more revenue now for Ironforge because they had an AI responding when their business was closed. And that's one of the big advantages of the AI Empire. So the cool thing is it works in multiple ways. It's built for individuals. So if you're an individual entrepreneur and you want to create a community, whether it's digital marketing, sales, you're a coach, you're a consultant, you teach a course, it has that same platform. It almost looks just like school. And I'm creating these in that membership area of my community for people to have and learn. But you can do that with your membership of the AI Empire. So not only can you use it to manage your business, you can use it to create products and services to teach your users or your customers about what you do, providing them value and giving them a resource to learn about it. Like for Ironforge, for example, a mechanic, could you imagine if they had a community where they did, hey, this is how you do the brakes, this is how we do the axle, this is how we're going to fix your trailer. And they had an educational community, and you can monetize that as well. So if you have a specific target market or a niche or something you do, you can focus on that and you can make a product of your own that is white labeled with the AI Empires. So you can use it to grow your business, use it to optimize your process. You can also create your own products with it. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I'm going to save this. Now that I got to go check that video, see how long that video is taking. Come on. Okay, so we're on step 2. So now we got to export it. And what I'm going to do with this is Streamlabs Desktop Ultra has so many cool tools. So when you're live streaming, you can take clips. You can get all your social media knocked out. And what I'm trying to teach people is how to be more efficient with all of it. Because, people, they need to do more with less, right? And that's just the way business is right now. The election went, in a favor where I think inflation is probably going to come down in a little while. We're probably going to have a strong economy in a couple of years, but today we really need to focus on, all right, how do we do more with less? Now, it starts with consolidating that all, like all of your business platforms. You can get rid of all the external tools, right? Use the AI empires. You can white label it for your business, right? It can be your website, it can be your funnel, your email marketing, your text messaging, your social media marketing. You can manage all of your conversations from one place: text, email, social. It's just all going to be living there. It's an admin's dream, all right? You can do calendars, create opportunities. You can create estimates to send to your customers. You can also tie it into QuickBooks. You can do invoicing. You can send text links for your customers to pay through text. It integrates with Stripe, PayPal. It's going to be an all-in-one solution, right? So you don't have to go anywhere else during the day. The other benefit, which this came through, I mean, I think I've had Ironforge Commercial Repairs AI live for 2-3 days, and it already booked an estimate for 2 snowplow sales. That's 20 to 30 grand extra in revenue for that business. All from just using a conversational AI agent. And the individual package is $197 a month. For 5 seats, it's $597 a month. But imagine if you could optimize that process for 5 different people in your organization: admin, owner, marketing, sales, management. If you had all of those people on the same page, good luck. But you could essentially have it all optimized in the same place. And that's how you do more with less. So I need to get the calendars. Hopefully we can knock out a few more of these. I think what I'm going to get doing is just kind of roll on to the next one while these are loading. But when I try and do too many in a row, it kind of doesn't like it. It gets mad at me. It says, "You don't have enough internet bandwidth, bro." Calendars. It's like, all right, so you got to kind of take it easy when you're doing all this. But what's nice about live streaming and doing tutorials is, one, they're live. So that's a nice thing about when you're doing business live. It's like, well, prove it. Okay, sure. Here it is. No big deal. That way nothing's, being hid behind closed doors. You're not buying something you don't understand. And the best part about it is I built it. So if you need to know how it works, or if you need to know how the features, how to use some of the features, you just ask me when I'm live streaming. That's all you do. All right. So we got to see what our next one is, huh? Because we got calendars loading. So what's the next one we're going to do? I think we already did. Did we do conversations already? We did. Okay. So now what's the next one we're going to do? Conversation, social media, contacts. Do I have one on contacts? All right. Cool. And automations and message. Anything important, crazy in here? That's a good feature. Add to company, smart list, task, restore. Okay. Cool. So I guess while that other one is loading still, we can. Yeah. We'll let that finish up all on its own. Alright, so let's jump into the next one, which this will be a fairly quick tutorial because it's just about the contacts. No biggie there. So let's do our quick little intro and we will get started with the AI empires. Here we go. Yahtzee. Let's talk about your contacts in the AI empires and go check out what we can do there. When you jump into the left side toolbar and we select contacts, you will be brought to this page. This is going to be your standard just contacts. Upload all of your contacts from sales before, anything marketing, any customer lists you've had. Upload them in bulk actions, and you can create tasks based on that person. But this is just going to be your general contact setup. how to add a new contact, you come in here to that top left and you click on add contact. Give them, you can upload their image, put their first, last name in, email, phone, contact type. Are they a lead? Are they a customer? Because you can work that into different automations depending on what type of contact it is. Time zone, and then do not disturb channels if they've requested, hey, I don't want to be text, but you can call me. You can set that up through here. Make sure you save the information when you get done creating a contact. Okay, it's going to have some required fields in there, but that's okay. You need them anyway. And then what you can do is you can organize them all in your contact list. You can send different emails or different texts depending on your outreach strategy. And that is the contacts in the AI Empires. Make sure you get started today, upload your contacts, and start selling. Man, when you gotta sneeze while you're live streaming, yikes. Alright, but now we gotta go back and we gotta see how our other video is doing, since we just got that one done. Alright, so we got how to use the calendars done. Woo! Oh man, did it just drop me? Or are you still live streaming? Sometimes it drops me when I do that. Alright, did we get it downloaded? I don't know. I was sneezing. As a list. Okay, we need to get you downloaded and you out of there. So download you. Cool, so that'll be ready to go, like a fairly edited video on a tutorial just by live streaming and how you use your product, right? So we can save it there and we should be ready to add another one. So new project, we're gonna go, what was that? How to use the contacts tab? Recordings. Rename. How to use the contacts tab. Okay, and we're gonna take that one and drop it like it's hot. So now I'm gonna get my subtitles there and AI editing, excuse me. Remove pauses, remove filler words, and continue editing in editor. Now I'm gonna minimize that so I don't accidentally close it. I close Windows like it's my job. I don't want to close that. So now that we're rocking and rolling, what we can do is probably check our live chats. Okay, we're good. No questions. Sweet. All right. So we are on to the... Guess I can get rid of that tab. I don't need that one. We need to go into our products again. We are on feature setup number 3. Contacts is loading. Opportunities. Okay, we need to go to opportunities next. Opportunities. See if I should put people's names. Probably not. Pipelines. Yeah, I probably shouldn't put people's names on that, so we'll leave them off for now. But since we got that short video, look at how quick our video editing is done. So we just did that, what was it, contacts video, and it's already taken out the blank spaces, editing. We're gonna have that done in no time. So while we're doing that, how do we be more efficient using the AI Empires? All right, let's check out opportunities. Fancy transition. 1, 2, and 3, 2, 1. Let's talk about creating and managing opportunities in the AI Empires. Let's go take a look right now. So to access our opportunities in the left tab, we're going to come over and click on opportunities. Now, in these opportunities, you can set them up a couple different ways depending on what the function is or what you really need this to accomplish. For example, you can create other pipelines. So there's a sales pipeline of just, hey, when I reach out to somebody, move them here, move them there, right? So it's going to keep track of your outreaches, what you're doing for sales, and you can create onboarding pipelines and other things like that. It is really just a Kanban board where you can drag and drop cards and then create automations to help those opportunities. So, for example, let's say Iron Forge Commercial Repair wants to book a repair appointment. They can book it here. When the repair gets finished, they can move it to, repair done, and it can automatically text that customer, email them, or give them a phone call and let them know, hey, your truck is done, come pick it up. To create different layouts, or what they call pipelines, you can come up here into pipelines and create a new one, and you can put in how many stages you need, what is this stage, what are we really doing. And on the previous ones, which you'll have snapshots of these as well, but you can add different stages in these opportunity pipelines to really manage whatever part of that business operation you need. And when it gets updated, you can either let people know internally, or you can let your customers know by sending them emails, texts, or their preferred form of conversation. All right. So opportunities is essentially all you need out of a CRM. Like, what do we have going on? What's the next step? Where are we at? Communicate internally, stick and move. Okay? Don't overthink CRMs. You don't need a whole bunch of bulky stuff. You just need to know step by step what business you have coming in to either make those predictions going forward for business, or really manage your current customers and your sales outreach all from the same place within the AI Empires. Get started today, theAIempires.com. The minute you press pay, you're going to receive a welcome email. You can start customizing the platform to your branding. It is white label, but make sure you book a 30-minute onboarding call with me to set up all the optional features, AI, texting, phone number. Some you might need and want, the others you might not. That's what that call is about. But get started today at theAIempires.com. All right, so now we got 3 videos done. Yeah, what up, Redirect fam? I don't know if you're still here, but you're awesome. What up? And this is also very applicable to anybody doing redirect. This is essentially the same platform. It's on Go High Level, but I created my own agency view, which you can also become an affiliate. 50% affiliate commissions. Let's take a look at that video. How's it doing? All right. So we need to get these 2 videos to YouTube. How to use the context tab, and we need to get it uploaded to YouTube. So I'm going to do that on the other screen. But if you happen to see this, make sure you holler at your boy. Ooh. Yeah, I gotta check in on Wild Will. See how he's doing. So the AI was able to get him 2 quotes today on snowplows. So I need to check in and see how all that went for Mr. Wild Will. So we need to create, upload a video. And if you guys see this, make sure you like, follow, subscribe, comment, all that normal goodness. How to use the calendars. Boom. Share with your friends. Tell them there's this good looking dude from Colorado that made a software for small business. The AI Empires. In this video, you'll learn how to use the calendars section of the AI Empires. Okay, we're going to say get started today. And we're going to put in that URL. So we'll go theaiempires.com. Make sure you go talk to Faith as well. Let's just go to the website so you can talk to Faith. aiempires.com. If you go to the aiempires.com, make sure you go chat with Faith down there. Test it out. She is my AI assistant that can help book a demo call. She's probably going to ask you for some details, some information. You know, hey, what are you looking to do? What can we help you with? That way, when I go into the meeting, I'll have the information I know, or I'll have the information at hand to be like, okay, this is what we need to do. This is what they're looking for. Life is good, right? That's where we can use AI and automation to be effective. The AI Empires. Automation. AI. Automation for business. 2024. AI for business. 2024. Automation for business. AI for business. Let's go appointment booking. Qualifying questions. AI for sales. Captions. Did it today in English. No, it's never been on television. I just recorded it in Castle Rock, Colorado. Alright, next. Next. And we're on to that one. Okay, so we're adding our end screens in YouTube. Make sure if you guys see this live, go to the aiempires.com and say hello to Faith, my AI assistant. Check her out. She's going to ask you some few questions. You know, wants to know if the AI Empire is going to be a good fit for you. She's going to ask you those qualifying questions. Well, go talk to Faith. She's not going to bite. It is just an AI assistant, all right? So let's close you. We're going to minimize you. And we need to put, what was that one in? Calendars. All right, let's get our how-to video in on the calendar. You have already done that, so you won't need. If you're this far, you don't need an invite to the calendars. You just need to use it. Confirm that. All right, so now we have that educational tutorial within the AI Empires, which you will get access to my community when you join the AI Empires. So the next one we have to upload is contacts. So we need to upload that one from the computer, the contacts tab. How to use the contacts section. The AI Empires. The AI Empires. In this video, you'll learn how to use the contacts section of the AI Empires. Get started today. Need to get that URL. All right, we got the aiempires.com. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's upload. Do I have the thumbnail for that? Do I? I don't know. Let's look. Calendars. Probably need to get it. Okay, so let's go contacts. Boom, 56. Download. Page 56, done, download. Okay, we got contacts. And opportunity should be, that'll be the next one. See what I'm saying? I do videos faster than I can fucking upload them now. What was that? Contacts? That's the cool thing about live streaming and doing tutorials. It's like, you do them so fast, you fucking can almost produce them quicker than you can actually upload them, you know? And that's like, fuck. Be days I wake up like, oh, I did that video twice. Motherfucker. Automation. AI. Automation for business. 2024. AI for business. 2024. We need to go AI. Automation. Small business. Small business solution. Small digital marketing. Digital sales. Okay, recording English. English. No, it's never been on TV. Recorded it just now in the Castle Rock, Colorado. And if you guys have questions, make sure you drop them today or last night. One of our clients, AI, was able to get the details for an estimate for 2 snowplows, which, if the sales goes through, it's anywhere between $20,000 and $30,000 of more revenue for that company. So how can AI be effective? That's how it can manage your sales, or it can help you with sales during, if you're busy or if you're closed. I mean, it was at 9:40 p.m. So even if you're closed, you can acquire customers using AI. And that's the most important part, is how do you use it to make more money? And you have to optimize a process, okay? So that's the real kind of secret to automation in AI, is how do you use it to optimize your process, right? Go contacts. You can bulk upload a CSV of previous contact lists. And let's embed that YouTube video we just did. We'll get caught up on our video trainings here. Contacts. Okay, we're going to save you in there. And now I believe we got to get that opportunities one. So we'll go back to Streamlabs podcast editor. And what we're going to do there is we're going to use the, just going to create a new one in a second. So we'll go recordings. Man, if you guys were hearing me sneeze too, I sneeze like a locomotive. So let's see, we were doing rename. How to use opportunities in the AI empires. Boom. So we're gonna just do new project here. And we're going to drag and drop. Boom. Add those subtitles that look good. And auto apply edits. Continue editing. And again, just minimize it and get rid of it. Okay, so we have opportunities loaded. Now I'm going to go and check probably the payments tab separately, just because I don't want to be putting any payment information out there if it's not supposed to be seen. So I'm going to check that one on this scene. Okay, so you can see the payment tab. Let's see. Payments. Okay, I think I need to. Cool. All right, we can do this payment one. Sweet. That'll be easy for people to see, and then it's not going to be showing any crazy information that shouldn't be shown anyway. So I need to duplicate you. OPP Tunities. Spelling is good. Download. Page 57 done. Download. Yahtzee. Alright, so that video I think is still loading. Yep, that's gonna be a little bit. Okay, let's do the payments tutorial then. So let's get it rocking on the payments tab so you guys can get that done. And you can have that video tutorial. So here we go. Let's learn about the payments tab in the AI Empires. Let's get started jumping in. What we're going to do is come to the left side per usual, and we're going to click on that payments tab. What's important about having payments inside of your new SaaS platform? Well, you don't want to go 16 different places for software for business. You want to live in one place. Now, the AI Empires can hook up to your QuickBooks. It does Stripe, it does PayPal. So if you're using any of the main payment providers, you're probably going to be all right. And it is a great feature to hook up to QuickBooks. A lot of businesses use that, and it's just going to integrate seamlessly. What's cool about it is you can come up and create new invoices for customers. You can use templates. You can create estimates like we did for Ironforge Commercial Repair on the snowplows, right? You can come in and create documents and contracts. So if you're doing monthly services or if you have to lay out a contract with a customer, you can keep them there. You can track your orders, abandoned checkouts. You can manage subscriptions. So if you create your own membership site, you can see it in there. You can send payment links to your customers. They can pay through text, email, whatever they need. Payment links just make it easy. You can go over your transactions. Add new products, so like your community or your membership site, whatever you think there. You can organize it. You can have your coupons in there to provide a discount for your customers. Settings and then integrations. Now, there's a lot of cool stuff in here that I'm probably just going to do if individual clients have questions, but you need to see what's available in the payments tab. That way you can kind of know its features. The AI Empires is supposed to be your all-in-one business solution where you can use AI and automation to help build your business empire and give you more time, money, and freedom. Stick around for the next video and we'll jump into more features. All right, that one's done. Payments. So now where I need to go Streamlabs again. All right, we're gonna export video. So I need to go to streamlabs.com dashboard, although I should just be going to the podcast editor. But you know, old habits die hard there. Log in. So now that one was the how to use the payments tab. So we're going to grab that out of recordings of Streamlabs Desktop Ultra. We're going to do how to use the payments tab section. The AI Empires. Okay. So again, we're just going to drag it and drop it like it's hot. Select our white background, black letters subtitle, auto edit, bing, bing, continue editing in editor. And my tutorials are going to be edited fairly efficiently just by doing that. So that's what we were trying to do, is we're going to teach people how to do more with less. You can also use this entire business dashboard, right? Manage all of your conversations, manage all of your messages. You can do whatever you need to grow, scale, monetize your business. It can be individuals, it can be companies. The best part is you can make it customized to your operations. It's a white label product, so you can put your branding on it and you can sell it as a solution. All right. Let's go into, we're going to go back into our educational community, which you also gain access to when you become a member of the AI Empire. So we got opportunities, payments, marketing time. This is probably one of the most powerful features of the AI Empires, is just having the whole marketing dashboard all set up. Do I have these done already? Create a post. The features done? Nope. Let's see what we got in here. I think create a marketing post is done for sure. What we got on the dashboard? So we'll do dashboard and create a post. Anybody got any questions? I need to check the chat better. Yikes. Okay, we're doing good. We're doing good. I wonder if Kakaw's out there. I got one person watching on YouTube. There we go. Is that my boy Kakaw? Is that you? Take a quick leak and then I will be right back. All right, how we living? How we living? Let's see if we got any chats to take care of. Any chats? Chat. No. Doesn't look like that was Kaka. Who's hanging out? Say hi if you're hanging out. We are doing live demos of the all-in-one platform, the AI Empires, baby. Do it all from one place. A small business SaaS solution. Individuals, businesses, if you got 5 people, 10 people, it does not matter. The AI Empire is going to optimize your process. I promise you. Why? Because I'm doing it. All right, how we living? So I need to go all in one. Settings. So now we need to go all-in-one solution. We need to put a different, maybe media on the front there. Which one are you? Opportunities. See what I'm saying? I make videos faster than I can fucking upload them. Okay, where are you? Opportunities. What one was that? I think I already have you downloaded, but I need to change the front section too. So what do I have on there? And payments. Jeez Louise. So I need to go all in one. I need to go. Alright, edit you real quick. But the AI Empires is live and rolling. You can get started today. You can start using it immediately. Now, if you want some of the AI features, the phone, the text, that is what our 30-minute onboarding call is for. There we go. All-in-one business solution. It's a little big, isn't it? All right. Cool. Now that's not hanging off. Money, money, money. Whoa. And it also has a 50% first tier affiliate program. Now I need to get, what are the ones I need to get up here? So I need to get opportunities and payments uploaded to YouTube, which I will do a better job at checking the chat. I apologize. I will do a better job of that. But if you want to see the full screen is live on YouTube. Doing TikTok and YouTube tonight. So we need to upload the opportunities video like so. Select files, how to use the opportunities. Did I download the opportunities? Chingandaris, opportunities. Section. The AI Empires. In this video, you'll learn how to use the opportunities section of the AI Empires. Get started today. The AIEmpires.com 50% affiliate commission. If you guys want to make money while making money, that's the way to do it. I mean, you're selling it, you're using it to sell it. Okay. And it is a white label product, which means you can put your branding on it. You can put your logos. You can make it a solution for your business. The AI Empires, AI Automation, for business, automation for business, calendars, conversations, contacts, opportunities, payments, marketing, sites, funnels, media, small business, and we're going language, English. No recording today. Where? Castle Rock, Colorado, baby. We're gonna add an in screen in YouTube. Yes, we are. You're looking fucking good. Save you. We're gonna add a card. You betcha. Give me that video. Which one did we do before? Opportunities, calendars, contacts. Save it. Next. Upload. Public. Send it. Publish. Okay, now we need to put that in our opportunities section over here. The empires and manage your current customers as well as your sales outreach. Okay. And we are going to embed some media, and it acts just like, I mean, the Kanban board for a regular CRM. Like, you don't need a super heavyweight CRM for everything. You just need to manage your opportunities, reminders, outreach, and you need a place to do that. So you don't need a full heavyweight CRM. You just need maybe the opportunity section, and Empires is a full business management suite. So it's designed to where you don't have to have 3 or 4 different software solutions to run your business. It just consolidates into one. So now we need to get the payments one done. Is that one done? Download. Sure is. Save it. And the cool thing about these transcriptions is I can also use them to train my AI, which is one of the badass parts of doing videos like that. So where are you? List. I need to create a thumbnail for that. So we need to go to payments. Payments. And then later tonight, we might do some videos for Ironforge Commercial Repair, do some snowplow selling. So we got payments there. The empires. In this video, you'll learn about the payments section of the AI empires. You're all in one solution for business software. Do more with less. Get started today. All right. Post in that URL. Good to go. Upload a thumbnail. Payments. You're there. Playlist. The empire's done. Show more. No altered content. Just me recording this shit live. The AI empires. Automation. AI. Small business 2024, AI for business, automation for business, tech, conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities, CRM, payments, marketing, sales, sites, funnels, media, word, language, English, captions, none, recording, yup, because I do this shit live, Castle Rock, Colorado. It just makes it easier when you do things live. And that's the truth. I mean, live streaming exists. So if you're looking to purchase anything from anybody or you're looking to do anything like that online, just be like, yo, let's hop on a quick live and let me check it out. Okay, great. Because the people that back down from that, they say, no, I don't want to, or, I need 3 days to prepare. Like, they're full of shit. You can't just jump on and prove it. What are you doing? All right. Get that payments video in there. About the payments section of the AI empires. Create estimates, invoices, contracts, and templates for your business. Okay, we're gonna embed media. We're gonna go YouTube video. Ciao. And now our payments is inside of that educational community as well. So we are just zipping. I think we've got four or five micro tutorials done in that time. Like, that's how more efficient you can be when you're doing this stuff. You can be, just a lot more quicker. You're doing social media marketing videos, just live stream. Take a few clips. Life is good, right? Oh, I gotta check the chats. I wonder if I'd do better. If I was like interacting better, I would get some chats. I want some chats. Who wants to say hi to me? Somebody say hi. What if we change it up while we're doing some video uploading? Just say hi. Say hi to me. Don't be skipping over my scenes. Let's see. So let's go. Let's just go say hi. Ask a question. See if anybody says hi to me. Say hi. Ask a question. So I do need to jump off here pretty quick. I should have a FaceTime call with my oldest daughter. Hopefully. I get to say hi to her tonight. I would really love to see that oldest one. My oldest daughter is an absolute beauty. She's a stud. She's smart. She's sweet. She's beautiful. She's kind. She's funny. She's strong. I'm proud of her. I love her. I haven't seen them in a while. I miss those babies. But that's why we're doing it, right? We got to figure out a way to make some moolah online. So we need to go this one. Because if you're going to be a single parent, you're going to have to figure out a way to provide for your kids somehow while you can still spend time with your kids. Therefore, we have digital products. How can we do that? Like, you got to provide value somehow. So you got to create a solution to optimize a process. So what I've been talking to people about, and I've created the AI empires after a few years of, really get into it hard and heavy and trying to create, all right, how do you make this effective for business? Well, you need to optimize a process with AI. That's where you can start making it effective. And within the AI empires, it's set up to white label for your solution. So I'm teaching people how to use, the individual features, and then we're going to go into Now let's set a target market. How are we going to approach them? What is a value prop for you to reach out to them about? And how are you going to go about it? So that's the design of the AI Empire. So I'm trying to get some engagement live. So if anybody sees this, you make sure you say hi to me in the chat. Say hi. Only got a few minutes left before hopefully I can talk to my oldest girl tonight. She is an absolute stud and I love her a ton. So I just hope I get to have a FaceTime with her, but I can't be live streaming while she calls because I don't want to miss the call. But let's get some people going. Join the AI Empires. It is a white label solution I've created for you. It is a business management tool. You can use it to sell your individual solutions. So if you're creating a community, an online course, you want to monetize that. It has a very, very similar setup to one of the platforms I was using before. I was using School before, which is a great, great platform. I just figured if I'm putting together a white label SaaS, I should have my community in the same place. The AI Empires allows you to do that. You can charge for your community. So if you're in digital marketing, sales, if you're a mechanic, a roofer, an electrician, a plumber, imagine putting all of your skills, just how-to videos, stuff you're doing during the day. Record those videos, teach people how to do it, make money with it. That is the way to use these digital products. Why is mine different? Well, I built it. So I will be your lead dog instructor. Welcome to the AI Empires. This is the future and I'm your professor. Make sure you say hi. Drop it in the chats. Holler at your boy. I don't even know if we're live streaming anymore. Should be. All right, we're still live. But I do have to jump off because my baby girl will be FaceTiming here shortly, but it is an all-in-one business solution. So make sure and check it out, and I will be back live probably like 8:30, 9 p.m.